Guys, today I'm gonna be doing a video on lasagna. Shit. Alright guys, so I think first we're gonna attack. I think we should attack this motherfucker. Yeah, we should attack first. Alright, hold up. Let's attack. It's kind of like Clash of Clans now. What? It's freaking awesome. You know what I mean? Freaking awesome. Okay, let's attack. What? This? Oh my god, this game is so awesome, but it's kind of copying Clash of Clans. So, what? What's this? Let me attack this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Now, let's get it. Right there, attacking everything. See that shit. Alright. What? Alright, I'm gonna take this. Shit. Bam. Big barrel noises. Oh, better. Let's get some air balloons up in this shit. Bubble blast. One of this shit. Wow, look at them. These two are like king missions, you know. Like, watch this shit. See that shit? The tank right there, and the Iron Man, whatever. Wow, we're winning this guy so far. Come on, just get that spaceship. Oh yeah, baby. I'll make a lot of lasagna videos though. So, look at that king. Destroy. Bitch. Fuck shit, this shit not focusing. Come on, motherfucker. Well, yay, 3 stars. Oh, sorry. Yay. Subscribe to Smasher678 and Kevin Morado. See you next time. Please like and subscribe.